Good day, shoe lovers, and probably boot lovers as well. Today I have my second pair of boots, and these are of the Rocky type. Rocky. They have a newer generation of these called the S2V Tactical Military Boot. These are the special ops in Coyote, but they look very similar. Special ops, huh? I've had some of Rocky's lighter boots in the past, and they've done me well. So I figured I'd try my hand, rather feet, at some heavy-dutier ones. Comfort-wise, they are super comfortable, like warm Tempur-Pedic pillows for the feet. With that comes warmth. They are technically hot weather boots, but they keep your feet toasty. And when you take them off for the day, let me tell you, popcorn smell for days. Durability is great, and it competes well with any other heavy-duty boot on the market. It is extremely difficult to get wet, but once it is soaked, it will take a couple of days to dry because of how thick they are. You could probably submerge your whole foot in water for a second and pull out and still be good. Anything longer than that, though, and you're having a bad day, so make sure you have a strong pull-out game. In the field, they are great. Rucking, they are all right. Decent ankle support, but they are a little heavy, and I hate the feeling of dragging my feet as I ruck because my feet feel heavy. I've had these for a couple of years, and they are still doing quite well with their condition because I've been so partial to my Oakleys lately. I'll probably be getting another pair soon to replace the last pair I reviewed on this channel. Just walking through the forest, through many types of weather, they do just fine. Running with them, I would not recommend. Definitely possible if this is the only boot you have known, but if you're used to lighter boots, you will feel the weight of these immediately. They are quite pricey, definitely over $200, usually averaged in the mid-200s, so you could argue just getting two light boots would add up to one of these, and you would just have to rotate boots more often as opposed to buying one heavier boot that lasts much longer. Overall, not a bad boot, but it is not my favorite. If I have to be honest, it's mainly for my packing list layouts. Not to say it's a bad boot, but for the price, I find myself using other lighter boots. I spoiled myself with a lighter tactical boot, and it's tough to go back. These are way comfier on feet, though. Alright, that's enough for me. You all have a nice day, and hopefully you're able to keep up on your next ruck.